Hello everyone. My today's video topic is radian and degree. Can you express 22 degree 30 minute in radian? Let's see. Express 22 degree 30 minute in radian. So for this 22 degree 30 minutes, this is equal to 22 and half degree. We can write like that, and this is equal to 45 upon 2 degree. And if we want to change degree in radian, then we multiply degree by pi upon 180 degree. So this is in radian. Now 45 4 times equal to 180, then we have pi upon 8 radian. So this is our answer, means 22 degree 30 seconds equal to pi upon 8 radian. Daily I upload one video. For watching such type of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you.